If you have a dog that loves the water or just needs somewhere for your dog to cool off, then stick around. Recently, I got sent out this foldable, non-inflatable pool, and I'm gonna be showing you how it came packaged, how to set it up, and then we'll show you what my dog thinks of it. But anyway, let me skip back to when I set this up. So it just came in this small box and it came wrapped up in plastic so that it was nice and protected. It only took me about 2 minutes to set it up and then 45 minutes to fill it up with water. And I only filled it up about 3/4 full because I wanted it to be a little bit lower since this was my first time having my dog try it out. It also comes with a patch kit and a little tube for draining. All right, let's see how she likes the pool. Curious if she'll be able to get in herself. Go ahead, go on. Good girl. It's a little high. There we go. She is loving this pool so far. It's nice and cool. It took me about 45 minutes to fill it up about halfway. It's like half to 3/4 full. It was so easy to set up too. She definitely likes the pool. It's the perfect size. I definitely think she could get in here on her own, but I did help her in the first time because she wasn't sure quite how to get in here. I also think that if you have a smaller dog, like a little step stool would be nice. I can't quite remember the measurements, but I'll put them right here just so you can kind of gauge about how big it is. Also, I'm 5'4", and this I could lay down in and just float here if I wanted to just use this for me. It's not quite tall enough that she could really swim in it, but she's standing up and staying nice and cool in it. I was also thinking this would be super nice to give them baths in because I hate having to bend over in the bathtub. So this is something fun I could do. I could sit in the pool and give them a bath. It would really cut down on the time I spend bathing them, and it would also make it a lot more fun. And it was just as easy to take down as it was to set up. All you have to do is just pull the plugs, let it drain, and then fold it back up. Anyway, that's all I had for this really quick review. I hope this helped you, and I'll catch you on the next one.